In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Docs not working and tackle those pesky formatting issues that can slow down your productivity. Whether you're encountering errors with Google Docs not loading or your text looks a bit wonky, these solutions should help get things back on track. First and foremost, ensure your internet connection is stable. As Google Docs is a cloud-based service, it heavily relies on a strong and reliable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can result in frustrating errors and delays, so before trying anything else, confirm your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is operating smoothly. Now, if you're using a browser other than Google Chrome, like Safari, Firefox, or Edge, consider switching to Chrome. Google Docs tends to work best on its native browser. Additionally, make sure your browser is up to date. An outdated version can cause compatibility issues that prevent Docs from functioning as expected. Also, sometimes a simple restart of your computer or mobile device can clear up temporary glitches that might be affecting Google Docs. Next, if your issue is with text formatting that looks broken, here's how you can address it. Start by clearing any existing formatting on your text. Simply highlight the text in question, then navigate to Format and click Clear Formatting, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+/ on Windows or Command +/ on Mac. If you're pasting text into your document, use Ctrl+Shift+V on Windows or Command+Shift+V on Mac to paste without bringing any unwanted formatting along. Another thing to check is your page setup. Go to File and then Page Setup to ensure your margins, orientation, and paper size are set correctly for your needs. Applying consistent styles can also help. Use normal text or select appropriate heading styles rather than relying on a mix of random fonts, which can cause visual inconsistencies. If Google Docs continues to misbehave, it might be time for some browser troubleshooting. Clear your cache and cookies by going to Chrome Settings, then Privacy, and click on Clear Browsing Data. Sometimes extensions like ad blockers or grammar tools can interfere with Docs, so try disabling them to see if it solves the problem. You can also test opening Docs in an incognito window to see if an extension is the root of the issue. If you're having trouble saving documents, enabling offline mode can be helpful. Head to the Docs homepage, click Settings, and then turn on offline mode. This allows you to work on documents even without an internet connection and can help your files sync once your internet stabilizes. For more advanced issues, check Google Workspace Status Dashboard to ensure there's no server downtime on Google's end. If a specific document continues misbehaving, try exporting it as a .docx or .rtf file and then re-importing it to Google Docs, which often resolves file corruption issues. I hope these steps help you resolve any issues you're facing with Google Docs. Thank you for watching, and be sure to leave your questions in the comments if you have any.